Welcome back to our channel. We're Chloe and Matthew, two wine-loving foodies who have set out to explore the world one bite, sip or slurp at a time. On this trip to Bali, we headed straight over to Nusa Lembongan to check out the island life that is the island life away from island life. Join us as we grab a scooter and explore the food and the people of this special little pocket in Bali. Hey you!
What?
What you doing?
Fixing all the things.
Doing work stuff?
Yeah.
Where are we today?
The island.
The island.
The island.
Well, we were here the other day, but we came back here because we found a pretty good breakfast here, didn't we? And the location, the views, not too bad. Sit down this morning, get some work done, and then, well, we're not going to tell you, we're going to show you what we got in store for the day. Island Beach Home is a pub / restaurant / beach club set on Nusa Ceningan on the strait between it and Nusa Lembongan. While there are many similar clubs on both sides of the strait, Island Beach is newly owned and being renovated. We came back to hang out here a few times as the smoothies, food and cocktails were both delicious and pretty reasonably priced. Combined with the comfortable setting and this incredible view, this was an amazing little spot to hang out and get some work done while touring the islands. Just a quick stop for a beer and a swim here at Sea View Suites. But the bungalows here looked pretty incredible. Might have to come back and stay sometime. Whoa, that's awesome. Oh, look at that. Curry Traders is the child of Michael and Kendra, and it is an extension of their Curry Traders spice kit business located in Australia. A higher class meal than what we've become accustomed to here in Bali, the cocktails would stand up to any speakeasy in Sydney, New York or London, and the food was downright delicious.
For all the juice in one flight. Again.
That's good.
Good? Yeah. Enjoy.
I'm full, but I can't stop eating.
So it just made sense to bring that here and bring it to life and live out our life dream. See a long, loving relationship with this island.
Yeah.
Do you feel the same when you get off the boat? You just jump off and you go, this is just magical.
How many times have I said to you in the past, like, couple of days, this is it. Like I want to come back. I want to live here, not forever, but like do an extended period of time.
Come back here and just work for a month.
Yeah,
I love the
it
vibe.
just has something about it. Look, even now, just
Yeah.
you know, you travel all over the world and you find these beautiful places that you feel connected with. And
Yeah.
this is definitely one of them that's pretty special.
Yeah. There's something about Bali that just keeps that spiritual vibe
really
that you
does.
can feel everywhere.
Yeah, it really does, and especially here.
Yeah.
I mean, there's ceremonies 378 days of the year.
Oh wow.
To give it that much to something that they believe in, that's so, you know, with the earth and their connectiveness it's got to do something.
Yeah.
It's got to, you know, putting that energy out there to be so positive about life is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And they're doing it, and they do it well.
Yeah.
But I'm proud to be a part of it. It's good.
I don't think there's many places in the world that are as beautiful as here. I really don't. Like, the spirituality of the place, the island, the people, environment, surfing, snorkeling, fishing, everything's here. it's a perfect life.
You just found heaven on earth, basically.
Exactly. And then, so what did I do? Created an amazing restaurant. That was the plan. Amazing food, in amazing space, with an amazing ambience. So that's what this restaurant is, I think. I hope. Cheers, darling.
Cheers. Thank you so much, Michael. We've had such an amazing time.
Thank you very much.
The next day.
So we just ran into this ceremony, basically. We don't really know what's going on today, but something's going on. So we're going to stick around and see what it's all about. It's amazing. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Dinner.
For two people.
Okay, sit down please. I'm going to beach.
Warung Bambu, located on the north end of the island, was recommended to us by all of the locals as the best place to get grilled jacket fish, a popular staple here on Nusa Lembongan. This is perfect.
Do it.
Call it jacket fish because why? Because in the like in the water or in the sea, which is like it's a bit dark, and then when you grill it, actually you're gonna peel all the skin off,
The jacket.
and then you grill it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we grow up on this fish, especially on the Corona.
Okay.
Yeah, we are like really struggling on serious COVID, and then we try to survive, which is like okay, we got spear fishing, we got the jacket fish, we grill, and make sure to feed the family all, you know. So yeah.
Beautiful. Fresh, and it's fresh.
Yes, it's
Just
fresh from the
sea
ocean.
down
It's just fresh from the ocean. We grill it straight away, you know. And the next day, next couple days, we do the other thing, you know. So which is we got to get a snapper, we got to grow food. Yeah, it's a tuna, you know. Like every day is different, but yeah, because since Corona, we couldn't feed get the meats or chicken or lamb or something. It's expensive. So not to have job, you know. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So you know enough. So you got a fish. It's good. We all grew up here. This is our backyard. We born and raised here. Every morning we know the situation. We know this is gonna be good day to spear. This is gonna be good day to surf. You know. So yeah, just try to survive on this island. It's really good.
Nice.
Grateful. You know?
Well, thank you so much. That was beautiful.
Thank you so much. A pleasure. Thank you so much to come here, dude.
Thank you.
Have a great night.
Nusa Lembongan is a special little paradise within a paradise with some of the best food and most amazing people that we met on our travel. Definitely one to add to your list. Join us next week as we're back in Australia and we explore the Barossa Valley, Australia's most iconic wine region. Like and subscribe below to make sure you don't miss out on the travel and the people and the wine.